Hi everyone, welcome back to SabeerCAD. In this video, I'll show you the procedure to create a high-resolution JPEG file from AutoCAD. So let's start with the plot command. And in the printer plotter section, click on the name pop-up and select Publish to Web JPEG.pc3 file. Now when you select this file, you can see the various paper sizes supported by these files. In the paper size pop-up, you can see all the predefined paper sizes. But I would like to define a custom paper size. So click on Properties button and click on Custom Paper Sizes and click on Add. Then you will get a custom paper size wizard. In this wizard, a Start from Scratch radio button is selected. Click on Next. Here you can specify the width and height in pixels. I'll choose a Ultra HD resolution, so I'll give a width as 3840 and the height as 2160. And click on Next, and here you can give a custom name. The default name is user1 followed by the pixel size you have specified. I'll change the name to Ultra HD. Then click on Next and Finish. Now you can see the paper size in the custom paper sizes section. Click on OK and you can choose the custom paper size of Ultra HD which you have just now created. I'll plot the display as such and I'll plot as black and white. So change the plot style table to monochrome.ctb and click on Yes to assign this plot style table to all layouts and click on OK. And you can give a file name and click on Save. Now the plot job is in progress and the plotting is done. Now when you open the JPEG file, you can see that it is a high resolution JPEG file. Even if you zoom in, there won't be any pixelation because it's a high resolution file. When you click on details, you can see that it is 3840 and 2160. So this is the procedure to create a high resolution JPEG file from AutoCAD. Please hit the like button of this video if you liked it and subscribe to SabeerCAD YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit the bell icon to get instant updates on all my future video uploads. Thank you so much for your time.